This is Hannah, and sorry you can't see me very well, but the fireworks has finally begun. I've taken a lot of pictures, so I'm decided I'm going to post a video. Since my last video, we didn't get very many fireworks, so I'm just going to show you more. It's pretty cool, right? I've taken a couple really good ones. Ari, are you excited? Ari's real excited about this. It's zoomed in pretty close, so you can see a good chunk of it. It's zoomed in really far. Oh, sorry. That is really, really cool. That's the best firework I've seen all night. That is pretty cool. Oh my gosh, really? Oh, you know what? Okay. Bye.